I'm tired of people not going to the gym because they're afraid of what someone might think of them or someone might look at. "70 degrees yesterday. Literally a blizzard today. Unbelievable." We're gonna measure how much snow we got. Oh man. I don't know if you can tell. Right around 10 inches already. That's crazy. Can't even get out. Let me out. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm stuck. Oh, man. Like pushing. Like a workout. Just getting out. This is like the heaviest wet snow I've ever seen in my entire life. All the schools are shut down today. I don't even know if I'm working today. Find out later. Look at that tree, guys. It's like pasted to it. You can't even like see down at your neighbor's house. This is insane. So this is one of the reasons why I moved here, guys. I like extreme weather. I have a passion for the weather. It's one of my hobbies. So I actually wanted to be a meteorologist when I was a kid, but obviously I took the fitness path. So I'm gonna see if I can get to the gym. So take you guys on a little tour of the blizzard. If that cars can do it, I can do it. Look at all that snow. At least it comes off easy. Man, I would hate to shovel this. Whew, whoever told me this was a good idea. It's not. My hands are freezing. My hair has icicles in it. Oh man. So I've had a passion for, fitness ever since I started lifting when I was, 15 years old in high school. I also found out I also had another passion, another hobby I enjoy doing, and that's the weather. I actually thought about going to meteorology school in college, but decided not to. I knew it was more of a hobby, not a job. So, but yeah, guys, it's make sure you guys have more than one hobby, because then it's gonna make life that much better, that much easier, and that much more enjoyable. So, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I just took a shower. There's water just dripping down. It's pretty insane. So, we're gonna see if we can go out and about. My goal is to get to the gym, so we're gonna head that way. We made it out, guys. Look at that.
Once I was 7 years old.
One thing I do gotta say, I gotta give it to the road crew here in Colorado, keeping the roads nice and safe and being able to get out and drive on. So we made it to the gym, guys. There's my gym right here. What a shitty day to reopen the gym in a blizzard. They've been closed for the past month and a half due to getting a new roof on. But we made it. That's all that matters. Safe and sound. The snow's perfect for snowballs. It's like playing baseball again, but a little bit colder. Woo! Some people who persevere, guys, who went out in life, even if they have to brave a blizzard to get to the gym, not every day. How bad you want it, If you want it bad enough, you'll make it happen. Okay, it's not the people that show up. It's the people that show up every single day, no matter the weather. Even if they have to drive through a blizzard to get to the gym. You know? At the end of the day, it's whether you did it or you didn't do it. And if you did it, then there's gonna be no stopping you, you know? You make it happen. If you make it happen, there's gonna be no stopping you. You're gonna win every day and you will get what you want in life, alright guys? So remember that and take it and apply it to your life right now, alright? Are you out braving the elements, no matter whether it's outside or inside the gym? Are you braving the elements inside the gym to be successful, to be where you want to be, to change that life, to change the body of yours? Alright guys? You don't have to brave the elements just outside in the weather, you know? Braving elements is being inside the gym as well. You know, the surroundings. Who cares what people think of you? Do you, alright guys? I'm tired of people not going to the gym because they're afraid of what someone might think of them or someone might look at them. You know, who cares? You know, it's your life. Go and change it, alright? It's gonna make you healthier, make you live a longer life, increase your longevity, then why the heck not, alright? Who cares what he or she looks like or he or she says, alright? Fuck. This is what I live for. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also, leave any questions down below, anything about weather or anything down in the comment section. Also, feel free to share with your friends, especially if they're weather geeks like me. I enjoy weather like this, so until then, we'll see you in the next video.